Hello everyone, it's Natasha Soderberg from Butler, Montessori. I'm reading today one of our old favorites. It's called Color Me Happy. You can see our copy is well worn. This is a very short book. It'll be good for the younger children. Color Me Happy by Shen Roddie and Ben Cart. When I'm sunny, color me yellow. When I'm funny, color me pink. When I'm bored, color me gray. But soon I'm bouncy, time to play. When I'm brave, color me orange. When I'm jealous, color me green. When I'm angry, color me red. But I feel better cuddling Ted. When I'm dreamy, color me purple. When I'm sad, color me blue. But when I'm happy, color me a rainbow for me and you. The end.